Hi there, I'm Karen from SessionLab, and in this video we're going to take a look at facilitating futures, 3 methods to inspire and take action that you can use with your teams, along with a link to download the free Facilitating Futures playbook. So let's take a look. First up, I've picked Letter from the Future. This is a really fun and creative exercise that can help your team explore future trends, share ideas, and spot common themes. Invite your team to grab a pen and paper and imagine that it is 2030 and they're writing back to their current selves. They'll write down any challenges that they came across, what they've achieved, and how they got there. Afterwards, gather the team together and ask them to spot any trends and similarities, and then create a list together on how to action those ideas. Future mapping is a really great method to start a discussion around any big picture themes such as society, politics, technology, and the economy. So I'm going to use the example of how we shop. Here is a very busy Oxford Street, and where if you went shopping in the 90s or early 2000s, a dress would maybe cost about £100 or $100. Nowadays it's very different. These shops don't all exist. You can order online for about €10. And things have changed quite rapidly. So for this example, you might ask your teams, what happened? What's next? What can we do? And it helps them spot patterns, share ideas, and perhaps dream up a fantasy high street where makers are actually rewarded for the work that they do in a fair and equitable way. Now, let's take a look at the third activity. This one is called Minimum Specs, and I like to think of it as the Marie Kondo of method. For example, you are a startup company working in zero waste, and you've got like a list of, say, 10 things that you're going to do. Go through all these, and if you followed all of them except this one, would you still achieve your purpose? And if yes, then you can drop that one from the list. If you're looking for more ideas, you'll find all of these plus plenty more future-focused methods in the SessionLab Library. And you can download our free Facilitating Futures playbook for a curated set of tools to help you design better tomorrows.